Good afternoon. I was just wondering, is anybody else annoyed with this simplified interface that they've come up with for SolidWorks 2025? Um, I'm sure there are some out there that would like to know what happened to our traditional interface. So I want to show you. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, here it is. When you start a new part, you've got no longer do you have your features and sketch tabs. They've combined them for some reason. And got all your sketching tools over here and then your features over here. Uh, they broke us from the toolbars a long time ago, and now they want to start bringing it back together for some reason. Uh, anyway, let's just keep things the same, shall we? From what we know. So if yours is messed up, it probably says simplified interface down here in the bottom right corner. We can fix it. Just come up here to view, come down to workspace, and you would think that you could just click default or widescreen or something like this. No, you actually click the simplified interface and turn it off. Okay, now we're back to normal features, sketch, and that isn't the only thing, by the way. It messes with your heads up display and some other stuff too. So I think it's a little more than just being annoyed by the toolbars moving around a little bit more, a little bit. But anyway, that's all it takes. Again, go to view, go to workspace, simplified interface, turn that mess off, and it's back to normal. I hope this was helpful. Have a good afternoon.